Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the easiest hardware causes. First, use the original charger or a known 33W capable adapter and a tested cable because different pins or cheap leads fail. Then inspect the USB-C port closely. Once done, clear lint or dust carefully with compressed air or a dry toothpick. You want metal contacts visible. If the phone still shows no response, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume up for about 10 seconds to reboot and reinitialize charging circuitry. Once the basics are clear, move into software and diagnostic checks so you can separate firmware problems from hardware faults. You should review settings battery to spot abnormal drains or a stuck charging percentage. Make sure to record behavior. Next, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If charging returns there, uninstall the most recent apps and retry. Also make sure to update MIUI. Test charging from a PC USB port and try different wall outlets, which helps isolate a faulty adapter or cable. To finish, prioritize your data. Backup photos and accounts before doing anything invasive. Wipe the cache partition from recovery and only perform a factory reset if software steps failed, because resets clear personal data. If you found bent pins, corrosion, or a swollen battery, replace the USB-C board or battery. Prefer an authorized repair to preserve waterproofing and warranty. If the problem persists, reflash stock firmware or go to a service center. As a key troubleshooting tip, don't keep trying random parts. Diagnose first to avoid unnecessary replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.